Right in this video, I will show you how you can get this $50 no deposit bonus. As you can see, I have been able to get mine showing on the screen, and I just got mine right now. That is why I'm making this video, so that you guys can be able to go and get yours immediately. Alright, so I will show you everything you need to know in this particular video. But first, please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button so that YouTube can push this video to a lot of more people. Alright, so to get this particular account, check the description. You'll find the link that will direct you to my Telegram channel. Alright, in my Telegram channel is where I drop videos relating to how you can make money online, and that is where I drop updates first before coming to YouTube. Alright, so once you get there, you find the link to get to this platform, and it is going to direct you right here where you have to register an account with them. So you just have to input every single details required right here and click on you agree to the terms and condition, and then you can proceed to creating an account with them. And if you have an account with them already, there's no problem about that. You can also get this particular bonus. All right, so this is me after logging into the account. As you can see right here, this is everything. Now if you don't watch this video carefully and if you don't follow everything I said in this video, you cannot be able to get this account. As you can see right here, I tried to create this account without verifying my account, and I could not get the bonus. All right, so that means you have to verify your account first before you can be able to get this particular no deposit bonus. And I tell you that I got verified within few minutes of me uploading my proof of identities and every other things required, and I got verified as soon as I just uploaded everything. So it's just going to take you few minutes for you to get verified. All right, so to get verified is very simple. You just have to upload your details, and as you can see right here, mine is currently pending. I just have to wait for some time for you to finish verifying. All right, and after some times I got this particular message from them, as you can see showing on the screen, which says my account has been verified successfully. All right, now let's proceed to how we can get this particular bonus. As you can see, I'm trying to refresh right now to know if I've been verified successfully. As you can see, profile verified. My profile is verified. Now to get this bonus, just click on the menu button and click on open live account, and click on this select right here. As you can see, the no deposit bonus account is showing already. So just select it, select the no deposit, and then click on continue. You also have to select your leverage and your currency as well, then click on continue, and then you click on continue again to proceed. All right, and as you can see, created successfully. Now I can copy my details and proceed to MT5 to log into the platform. All right, just copy your details and head over to your MT5 app, and then you search for the Imam Market, paste your login details, and after pasting everything, then you can click on login. And as you can see right here, this is my balance showing on the screen. I've been credited with the $50 no deposit bonus. All right, so this shows that you can also get yours. Like I said earlier, I got mine this morning. You can check the date and time. All right, and this is why I'm making this video right now, so that you guys will not miss out from this wonderful opportunity. Now this is everything you need to get the bonus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've been able to get yours. If yes, please send proof to me in my Telegram or on WhatsApp. I'll be dropping the link to get the direct message to me in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day.